Wrote a country song recently. This is called What I've Been Missing. Last time she was on my mind, I was beat down and broken inside. I'm happy now she's out of my life, 'cause I can do anything I like. I can go hunting, I can go fishing, spend all night at the bar just sipping. Sunday morning, sleep until my head comes around. I can work all week just to make a living, spend my money how I want. I ain't giving a hoot about the way she put her foot down. But there's something in this world that I've been missing. Revving the engine on my old truck, gonna get her real dirty, gonna get her real stuck. Sitting in the woods till the break of dawn, ain't nobody wondering where I've gone. I can go hunting, I can go fishing, sit all day on a pond just wishing my line goes down and I reel another big one in. Steer my rig into a late night diner, times like these and they don't get much finer. 3 a.m. and I'm back at the house again. There's something in this world that I've been missing. When the dust all settles and I need a friend, talk about all the places we've been. Little soul searching on the state we're in. Man, I sure do wish I could see her again. Used to go hunting, used to go fishing, spend all night on the creek just kissing, and she really knows how to shake it when the band gets down. Here I am, guitar in the kitchen, writing a song that'll get her spinning, and now I'm sure it's only the beginning. Knowing what I've been missing. Let me know if you like it. Maybe I should record it, put it out there for the world to see. It's a good song about some good folks, so enjoy. Have a good day.